How to add a symbol to your TradingView watchlist. Hello everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to track stocks, crypto or forex but still confused about how to organize them inside TradingView, here's how you can easily add symbols to your watchlist. It is one of the easiest thing you can do. First of all, launch open the TradingView website or application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the watchlist tab. Go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner from the watch list. And in the search bar, type in the name of the symbol you want to add. You can enter the name of the stocks, funds, futures, forex, indices, and so on. Just find one and tap on it. Now, once you open up one of the symbols, go to the top right corner and tap the plus icon to add it to your watch list. Repeat this step for every other symbol you want in your watch list, and you'll be able to add it. Now, once you've added, you can now get back to your watch list and you will see all of the symbols that you've added. You can reorder the symbol by pressing and holding on it and drag it towards the area where you want it to appear in your watch list. So right there you have successfully reordered the watch list as well. So that's how you add symbols to your TradingView watch list in a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.